If your finances are still shaky and February is almost over, this matters more than you think. Most people don't fall behind because they're bad with money, they fall behind because they wait too long to reset. They keep telling themselves, "I'll fix it next month," while small problems quietly turn into long-term damage. Here's the hard truth. By the end of February, your financial direction for the entire year is already being decided. Not by how much you earn, but by whether you regain control now or keep drifting. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process to rebuild your finances before February ends, so you stop reacting to money and start directing it. If your finances don't look the way you planned, this is your moment to reset. Not next year. Not next month. Now. Most people treat financial recovery like a long, painful journey. In reality, rebuilding your finances is about making a few deliberate decisions, fast, and sticking to them long enough to regain control. This guide breaks it down step by step, so by the time February ends, you're no longer reacting to money. You're directing it. Step 1. Stop pretending and face the numbers. The first mistake people make is avoiding reality. They delay opening banking apps, ignore balances, and hope things improve on their own. Nothing changes until the numbers are clear. List everything. Current cash on hand, all income sources, every debt, fixed monthly expenses. Don't judge the numbers. Don't panic. Clarity comes before control. Once everything is written down, the problem stops being emotional and starts being mechanical, and mechanical problems can be fixed. Step 2. Pause all financial leaks before rebuilding. Stop the bleeding. This doesn't mean suffering, it means eliminating silent leaks. Cut or pause. Subscriptions you rarely use, convenience spending that adds up, daily impulse purchases disguised as small treats. This step alone creates instant relief. You don't need perfection here. Even a 20 to 30% reduction in unnecessary expenses buys time and breathing room. Step 3. Protect the core expenses first. Your finances collapse when essentials are unstable. Identify your core survival costs: housing, utilities, food, transportation. These are non-negotiable. Everything else is optional. Your job before February ends is to make sure these costs are covered calmly and consistently. Once survival is secure, rebuilding becomes possible. Step 4. Create a temporary financial reset budget. This is not a forever budget. It's a short-term recovery budget designed to stabilize you. For the remainder of February, assign every dollar a job, prioritize needs over wants, keep it simple. Temporary discipline prevents long-term pain. Most people fail because they try to design a perfect, lifelong plan instead of a functional, short-term one. Step 5. Focus on income before optimization. Cutting expenses has limits. Income does not. Ask yourself one direct question. What can I do in the next 14 days to bring in extra money? This could be extra shifts, freelance tasks, selling unused items, short-term service work. The goal isn't massive wealth, it's momentum. Extra income restores confidence, which is critical in financial recovery. Step 6. Separate recovery mode from growth mode. Rebuilding finances requires a different mindset. This is recovery mode, not expansion mode. In recovery mode, you avoid new financial risks, you delay upgrades, you prioritize stability. Growth comes later. Many people fail because they try to invest, scale, or upgrade before their base is solid. February is about stabilizing, not accelerating. Step 7. Build a small financial buffer immediately. You don't need a large emergency fund to regain control. You need a small one fast. Your first target: 1 to 2 weeks of expenses. This buffer prevents panic when something unexpected happens. Even a small reserve changes behavior, decisions become calmer, and stress drops almost immediately. Step 8. Attack one financial problem at a time. Trying to fix everything at once leads to burnout. Choose one priority problem: high interest debt, missed bills, zero savings. Focus all spare energy there. Progress in one area creates psychological momentum that carries into others. Step 9. Install simple money systems. Willpower fades. Systems stay. Before February ends, automate bill payments where possible. Separate spending money from savings. Set fixed times to review finances weekly. This removes emotion from decisions and reduces mistakes. The goal isn't motivation, it's predictability. Step 10. Redefine your financial identity. This step is invisible but critical. Stop identifying as someone who is bad with money or behind. Those labels sabotage recovery. Instead, adopt one simple identity. I'm someone who fixes financial problems early. Identity drives behavior. Once identity shifts, rebuilding stops feeling like punishment and starts feeling like control. Step 11. Create a clear plan for March. February recovery sets the foundation. March creates direction. By the end of February, decide. One savings goal, one income goal, one expense rule, nothing more. Simplicity beats intensity. Step 12. Commit to consistency, not perfection. Your finances won't be perfect by February's end, and they don't need to be. What matters is that chaos is replaced with structure. Consistency rebuilds trust, not just with money, but with yourself. When you control the basics, confidence returns. When confidence returns, decisions improve. When decisions improve, progress compounds. Rebuilding your finances before February ends is not about luck, intelligence, or shortcuts. It's about facing reality, reducing friction, increasing income, installing systems, refusing to quit mid-reset. Do these steps, and by the end of February, you won't just feel better about your finances, you'll be back in control. And once control returns, momentum follows. If this video gave you clarity, make sure you subscribe. Like the video so more people can regain control of their finances before it's too late, and share it with someone who needs a reset right now.